The course Nutrilite Kids Chewable Fruits and Vegetables will provide you the features, benefits, potential users and usage of Nutrilite Kids Chewable Fruits and Vegetables. By the end of this course, you will be able to describe the importance of fruits and vegetables, describe the features and benefits of Nutrilite Kids Chewable Concentrated Fruits and Vegetables, list the potential users of Nutrilite Kids Chewable Concentrated Fruits and Vegetables, and recommend the dosage and storage of Nutrilite Kids Chewable Concentrated Fruits and Vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are rich in antioxidants. They provide phytonutrients which help build immunity and give the body the power to fight diseases and infections. The color of the fruits and vegetables signifies the phytonutrients. Hence, we need to develop a diet rich in colorful fruits and vegetables. Nutrilite Kids Chewable Concentrated Fruits and Vegetables are naturally flavored and colored and are tasty chewable tablets. It comes in natural orange flavor. It contains phytonutrients that are helpful in providing antioxidant support. It is convenient and easy for kids to chew. It contains no artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives. The suggested use is to take one tablet twice a day for children above 4 years of age, preferably with meal. It is recommended to be taken under adult supervision. Do you know how to store Nutrilite Kids Chewable Concentrated Fruits and Vegetables? The correct way to store Nutrilite Kids Chewable Concentrated Fruits and Vegetables is to close the cap tightly after use. Remember to keep the bottle in a cool and dry place.